I am going to show you how to teach your child addition and subtraction. First thing you need to do is to introduce the symbols to your child. Once you introduce the symbol of addition, you ask your child, what does addition mean? What does the sign mean? The name of the sign is plus. And what does it mean? It means to put the numbers together. It also means that the number gets bigger. This is very important to teach your child at the outset, as your child needs to understand what this symbol actually is asking them to do. The other symbol you need to teach your child is the minus. What is the name of the sign? It's the minus. What is it asking us to do? It asks us to take out. What happens to the answer? The answer gets smaller. And remember that only a big number can take away a small number. Once you have taught them the basics of the two signs, then you can go ahead and teach them some activities. I will be using sweets. So, ask your child to grab a handful of sweets in each hand. Ask them to put it down. Now, tell them you want them to add these two piles. The first thing they are going to have to do is to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So they know that in this pile they have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this pile they have 5. Now you can get them to write out their sum. 4 plus 5 is equal to. A good way for them to get this is to actually draw. And then count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer is 9. You can get them using sweets once again. We can get them to do minus. So, grab a handful of sweets in your hand. Count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you ask them, 10 minus 2. What does minus mean? It means I must take away. How many am I taking away? 2. So I take away 2. I then count to see how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can then get them to write out their sum. 10 minus 2 is equal to. Once again, get them to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And to show the action of taking away. 1, 2. Then they count what is left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. The other way of teaching your child addition and subtraction is to actually do simple problem solving. You can tell them, for example, Sam has 7 sweets. His brother Tom ate 3. How many sweets does Sam have left? Now, the first thing your child has to know is whether he or she is going to be using a minus or a plus. So, when I eat, what happens to the number that I have? It gets less. So they should understand that they are going to use a minus. The first thing they do is to draw a picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then they actually do the action of eating 2 sweets. Once they have done the drawing, they then write the sum. The sum is 7 minus 2 is equal to. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in this way, your child has done problem solving using simple addition or subtraction. This is just some of the ideas that you can use at home, practical ideas that you can use at home for your child to learn addition and subtraction as well as problem solving. The other way of learning problem solving is to, for example, ask them questions like, if I have 2 bicycles, how many wheels are on 2 bicycles? This is a simple idea or way of your child just counting and finding the answers. I will give you more in a PowerPoint presentation. If you need to clean up your self-made whiteboard, you can use toilet paper and Q-Tex remover. Thank you.